A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. I am Nadeem and you are watching HTech IT Education. Today I am going to tell you how to install VS Code. You have simply launch your favorite browser. So as you type code.vscode.com, you have just to press the enter. So here you can see a web page has been populated. Here we have different options, but we will go along with this option, which is on the top side, rightmost top side. So here we will click on download. Here you can see there are different platforms for which you can download Visual Studio Code, but I am going to download for the Windows environment. For Windows environment, you can see here are options for which we can download. Actually, if you are going to install for a single user, then this option is okay for you. However, if there are multiple users which can log in on your Windows, then you should install system installer. So I am going to download the system installer so that multiple users logged in on the Windows machine can use Visual Studio Code. So let's start its download and click on it, and here you can see it is downloading. So just few seconds left. Okay, now it's completely downloaded. Just you have to right click and you have to click on the option show in folder. It will take to the location where this file has been downloaded. So this is the actual location, and this is our setup exe which has been downloaded. And you have to, for installation, you have to right click it and run as administrator. So it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to click on yes. As soon as you will click on the yes button, this is the setup which will be launched. So here we can install our Visual Studio setup, Visual Studio Code. Here I will accept. You will click then next. It will ask on which location to install. By default it's okay, we can go with the default location of Visual Studio installation directory. So let's click next, and we should again to click next. Here are different options. I will recommend to go with all the options checked in. So let's click next, and now the setup is ready to being installation setup code on your computer. So let's start installation. So now it's going to physically install the Visual Studio Code on this machine. So within a few time it will be ready to use Visual Studio Code. It's a very good code editor. It's a free and open source, so anybody can use it freely, especially the developers can use it. Okay, now here is an option. If you want to launch Visual Studio Code, as soon as this setup will complete, I will check it so that that can be launched. I have finished it. So just within few seconds you can see that the Visual Studio Code has been installed successfully, and now this is the editor where you can write your code of any language. So here you can see that there are different options which can use for this. This is menus, different edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, and so on. So this is what we have done. We have installed Visual Studio Code on our machine. So at the end I will say, may Allah bless us barakah in our halal earnings, and also may Allah by His grace not to make us dependent on anyone but Himself. With these prayers, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.